Welcome to the GK Objective Biology channel. So in this video we will discuss the Telangana state 85% expected cutoff for NEET 2021. So before starting the video I want to make some important announcements. The Telangana state has reservation for girls on horizontal basis in each category. In most of the cases, if we analyze the NEET 2020 cutoff, girls category cutoff marks was high as compared to open seats in each category. So, but still, I observed in reserved categories there were some benefits to the girls because girls was low in number, then they get the benefit of reserved quota for them. So I will say that girls are safe at a difference of 5 to 6 marks to avail the benefit of girls reservation, especially in reserved categories. But in general categories this difference may not work, but in reserved this may work for girls quota. So now discuss the NEET last year 2020 cutoff marks. Gandhi Medical College, Secunderabad 629 General, 596 EWS, 602 BCE, 611 BCD. I have no any data for BCC. So BCB 612, BCA 565, SC category 535, ST category 538. So for all the colleges like Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad 607 General, 592 EWS, 598 BCE, 590 BCD, BCC 571, 594, 538, 518, 529. So similarly, Kakatiya Medical College of Warangal 587 General, 567 EWS, 572 BCE, 570 BCD, 551 BCC, 574 BCB, 512 BCA, 500 in SC category and 514 in ST category. So if we look at Government Medical College, Siddipet 558 in general category, 536 EWS, 518 BCE, 538 BCD, 485 BCC, 536 BCB, 487 BCA, 464 SC category and 488 in ST category. So for Government Medical College Nalgonda 537 general category, 518 EWS, 502 BCE, 509 BCD or 527 BCB, 458 BCA, 447 SC category, 479 ST category. So you can see the cutoff marks category wise for each and every college. Now come to the expected cutoff of NEET 2021. So I already mentioned the point for the reservation of girls. Now come to NEET 2021 expected cutoff. So Telangana state is a low cutoff state as we know because the most of the colleges are allotted below 600. In 2021 we have seen that below 600 rank improvement at the same mark observed. So on the basis I expected that the cutoff for the Telangana state will decrease by 2 to 3 marks. Will decrease by 2 to 3 marks. Like Gandhi Medical College, Secunderabad may be allotted 625, 593 EWS, 600 BCE, 609 BCD, BCB 610, 563 BCA, 532 SC category, 535 ST category. Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad 605, 590, 596 BCE, 588 BCD, 569 BCC, 592 BCB, 536 BCA, 515 SC category and 527 in ST category. So Kakatiya Medical College, Warangal 586 general category, 565 EWS, 570 BCE, 568 BCD, 549 BCC and 572 BCB, 510 BCA, 495 SC category, 512 ST category. Government Medical College, Mahabub Nagar 560 general category, 540 EWS, 529 BCE, 545 BCD, 539 BCB, 476 BCA, 471 SC category and ST 490. So Government Medical College Nalgonda 532 may be a last cutoff in NEET 2021 in general category, 516 EWS, 501 BCE, 507 BCD, 460 in case of BCC, 525 BCB, 455 BCA and your 445 in SC category and 475 in ST category, 516 for your BCB category. So these are the lowest cutoff that is possible, or you can say safe marks for Telangana state 85% quota. So for girls, if the girls from reserved category, then they may consider safe at 5 to 6 marks difference to avail the benefit of girls reservation. And in general category, we have not seen much differences for girls. Usually the cutoff is higher for girls as compared to your open seats. So this was the expected cutoff of Telangana state. So for all the information related to counseling, please subscribe to this channel. All the informations and availability of the seat and seat matrix and new college addition, every information will be available and updated in due course of time.